Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore the world of indoor plants and how they can help you get a good night's rest by purifying the air in your bedroom. 1. The snake plant. This plant is a superhero when it comes to cleaning the air. It's easy to maintain, making it a perfect choice for beginners. 2. Aloe vera. Known for its healing properties, this plant can purify the air and add a touch of green to your room. Its spiky leaves add an interesting texture too. 3. English ivy. If you're looking for a plant that grows upwards, English ivy is your choice. It also removes mold from the air, making it a great addition to any bedroom. 4. Peace lily. With its stunning white blossoms, this plant not only looks beautiful, but also cleans the air around you. 5. Spider plant. This cute little plant is another air purifier that doesn't require much attention from you. Perfect for busy people. 6. Bamboo palm. This palm tree-like plant is not only visually appealing, but also helps remove harmful chemicals from the air in your bedroom.
7. Rubber plant. As its name suggests, this plant has thick rubber-like leaves that make it stand out and clean the air too.
Remember, these plants won't guarantee a good night's sleep on their own, but they can help improve your sleep environment by improving indoor air quality and providing some visual calmness. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on living healthier and happier lives. Until next time, stay green and breathe easy.